Hi, I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. This is my niece.
Hi, I'm Gordon.
That's Courtney. She's visiting us here in Texas. She's enjoying the heat. Today it's time for my IPSY unboxing for June. Yay! Third time's a charm. We're gonna try this. See how it goes. If this does not work, we're filming this on my phone. I don't even care anymore. First thing in the bag is the K-Boss Blushing Beauty Compact for blush. It's a trio of blushes, and if you see here, they look really different there, but not so much here. Well, they don't look, well, oh, look at that. It's a million blushes. Oh, sorry. But this looks like a nice neutral corally finish. So we're going to try these. These are going to be fun. They are pretty. So we'll see. Maybe the finish makes them different. Next thing in the bag is this Maskology Juju Volcanic Ash Facial Mask. I love facial masks. They did send two. Cheers. So we're going to be masking tonight before we go to bed. So each of us will be masking. We'll take a picture. We probably won't post that. But yeah, I'm excited about these. I love facial masks. Next thing is this Lauren Conrad lip gloss. This is a full size. I did kind of rub it off, but that's it right there. Sorry. Like I said, this is the third time filming this video. Going to the phone after that. This is the We Are Fluid 7 Free Polish. And it's our nail polish is 7 free, non-toxic, cruelty-free, and vegan. So you can feel good whether you're waving across the bar or flipping someone off. Why didn't I read that before? That's funny. This color is called Far Infrared. Matches my shirt. Just like to mention that. This color is called Titan Moon. It's a nice neutral. That'd be pretty. They're pretty colors. I have to say, every time I get a nail polish from IPSY, the colors are really good. And the quality of the nail polish is really good. They last a long time because I've had this on my toes for a few days now, and yeah, no chips. Next thing is the Tarte C Concealer in Deep Honey. I think I have it memorized now because it's my third time. Deep Honey. It's a little dark, but we're going to see how it goes on my face tomorrow because I already have concealer on right. And do I have anything else in the bag? Oh, I feel like I knew there was something else. The Ciate London Everyday Vacay Dewy Mist Setting Spray. I love this. This is 2.53 ounces. It's a setting spray mist. It's a hydrating coconut scented setting spray. And it smells very coconutty, very island. I think that's why they called it Everyday Vacay, because it's very islandy smelling. It smells like you're in the tropics, which I love. Is that it? It does smell good, right? Is that it? And the bag is super cute. Again, I'm a member of the IPSY Glam Bag Plus situation. Can't think of what I was going to say. The Glam Bag Plus community. So that means you get 5 products, you get full-size products, and each month they will send you, whether you're a Glam Bag Plus member or not, they will send you an email letting you know that you can customize your box and you can get additional products. Some of these things are additional products. I don't remember which ones. Actually, maybe they're not. Maybe I just picked most of the stuff. That might be the case. I don't think I got anything extra. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maybe I did. Anyway, either way, I haven't gotten any duplicates from IPSY yet. I have loved everything. I've tried a lot of the things. I have one of the nail polishes on from a couple of boxes ago. I'm using the concealer I got from them a couple of boxes ago. I'm using, what else am I using? I'm using the face oil and the moisturizer that I got from them quite a few boxes ago. So everything in there is super good good. It works well for. Oh, and I'm using the serum that I got from them, a full size serum, which is great. I'm not even halfway done, so I got that months ago, and it's great. I love it. So I'm a super fan of the IPSY Glam Bag Plus. This is not a sponsored video. This is paper with my own ducats. And Courtney, did you want to share anything?
No. Okay.
And I talk a lot. And this is our third try, so we're kind of tired, and now it's getting hot. So, thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best. Stay safe, be positive, and keep positive people around you. Peace.